until the day you die. That's the way the big pharma-backed diabetes treatment system works. It locks you into a lifetime of drug dependency. I think you already know what will happen if you do take this option because you've felt it so many times before. That feeling of helplessness, of being trapped in your own body, of feeling yourself getting heavier and more exhausted and more fed up with your struggle, with your weight, and with your body every single day, wondering why it's so hard for you to get in shape and stay in shape, or feeling guilty because you aren't spending hours and hours at the gym every week pedaling as fast as you can but not getting anywhere at all. I know you don't want that. And remember, the average diabetic will spend $283,000 to treat the disease and its complications during the course of their lifetime. That's the financial cost of doing nothing. The human cost is far greater. I'm talking about coma, heart attack, stroke, nerve damage, kidney failure, cutting your life short by years, even decades. Is that really a risk you want to take and save $37? Truth is, I know you are sick of seeing that ugly belly fat staring at you every time you look in the mirror, or pretending it doesn't bother you and that you're okay with the body you have right now. Of yearning to know what it's like to have power and control and energy like you did when you were a kid, which is why I want you to take a second here and seriously consider taking option number 2. And let's face it, it's the only option you have. Investing a tiny one-time payment in Halki Diabetes Remedy today so you can put my program to the test completely risk-free for a full 60 days. And just imagine the difference this could make to your life. No more fear of a fatal diabetic coma. No more fear of forgetting to take your meds. No more fear of the inevitable worsening of your diabetes over time. No more finger pricks or test strips. No more injections. No more having to deny yourself the foods you love. In a lot of ways, it's the easier road because all it takes on your part is deciding you love yourself enough to say yes right now. Simply click the button below. Enter your payment information right now before life gets in the way and claim your spot in the Halki Diabetes Remedy. Get every single thing I've talked about in this video and quite a few surprises I haven't even mentioned, but I can't wait for you to see. Learn the simple, tested method that saved my beautiful wife Kathy from type 2 diabetes and an early grave. Learn the secret to a flat belly and a fit, healthy body that has been kept from you for so long. And imagine for a moment how that would feel. The feeling that you have when the weight is dropping off and you can fit into the jeans you haven't fitted into for the past decade. Watching your blood sugar readings drop day by day. That feeling when your wife or husband looks at you with lust, with desire again, just as they used to in the past. That feeling when your doctor says you are now diabetes free and can throw your meds in the trash. Imagine yourself rolling out of bed, feeling light and strong for the first time in your life. Your belly will be flat and your joints will feel as if they have been freshly lubricated. You'll look and feel younger than ever before, and you will find yourself moving with the vigor and strength of a person half your age. You will cut your risk of heart disease and your sex drive will return as your hormones come back into balance, which will mean you're able to spend quality time with your children and watch your grandchildren grow up, get married, and have kids of their own. More than 33,000 Americans have reversed their type 2 diabetes in just a few weeks. This is your chance to join them, but time is running out. So, make the right decision. Make the only decision you can make, both for yourself and your family. Hit the button below and put the Halki Diabetes Remedy to the test, completely risk-free for a full 60 days, and start enjoying your precious life the way it was meant to be enjoyed. Click on the order button below, and I'll see you on the other side.